prices are up 8.8%, and home sales rose 7.5% year over year, with more than 5,762 housing units sold. It's Friday, December 6th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The slowdown in new contracts and listings this past week were in direct correlation to the Thanksgiving holiday, but buyer activity has been consistent this fourth quarter. New listings to hit the market dropped 68.6% to 1,098. Coming soon inventory dropped again this week 17.5% to 753. Homes going under contract fell 72.5% this week to 893. 849 homes sold this past week in 16 days at 100% list to sold ratio. Rentals are up again this week to $2,867 for lease at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 6th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.